Hello Mark, it's Mark Perigin with Taylor & Son Chevrolet shooting a video for you on the 2003 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. This is a regular cab LS. Has the 8.1 liter V8 and the Allison transmission. Give you a shot of the engine compartment here. This truck was very well cared for. It is in excellent condition. I don't see on the hood here, I don't see any even rock chips. Front fog lamps, it's got tow hooks. Tire condition, this is the front left. And wheel, no curb rash or even any signs of corrosion. I don't see any door dings, no scratches. Left rear wheel and tire. Looks like it's been undercoated too, so again, great condition. The regular cab long bed has new backup lights, brand new backup lights back here on the rear bumper. Rear bumper also in excellent condition, no rust on the tow hitch. It's got the spray-in bed liner. I don't think, it doesn't even look like it's had anything back here, Mark. Chrome rear handle and also chrome caps. Right rear tire. And wheel. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this, but this is some of the undercarriage. It really looks excellent for a 2003. Looks excellent for a 2012. Chrome door handles, chrome door molding, front right tire, and wheel. Same story all the way around. No corrosion, no curb rash. Only 108,000 miles. Extendable camper style mirrors, turn signal indicator in the mirror. There's a lot of pictures on the interweb. But what I'm showing you here is just a condition of things that wouldn't be shown on the interweb pictures. Hinges look great. Door sill. Side seat bolster. Power seat on the driver's side. This does have a aftermarket trailer brake controller. Dual zone climate control. OnStar. Seat fabric. This premium cloth is also in excellent condition. Well, there you have it, Mark. I'm going to go ahead and get this video into Lauren. She will get it uploaded and sent over to you and follow up with a phone call to make sure that you were able to open it and view the video and answer any questions that you may have. Thanks for looking.